much money did I make as an Amazon Kindle Vella author? I'm sharing my earnings report next, so stay tuned. Hello everyone, I'm super excited that you are here. I'm going to share my Amazon Kindle Vella earnings report as per the title of the YouTube video. So I'm going to share my screen and we're gonna get into the nitty-gritty of what Amazon Kindle Vella is doing, what's happening. Okay, so this is my Kindle Vella earnings report. For the month of March, I made $127.76. So a few things. I have a few titles. I have a writing partner. So if you are writing alone on Amazon Kindle Vella, I suggest teaming up with fellow writers, more bang for your buck, because there is an assumption that the more books you have, the more stories you have on Kindle Vella, and the more you update these stories, the higher the chances of getting a higher bonus. And a bonus happens once a month, as you see, March, February, December, and November. So I'm going to start from the beginning, my loves. October 2022, if it opens up, I only had one title. So $25.08 is what I made, $25.08. I don't know why I'm speaking that way. November, I had two stories, made $91.49. This story right here, Bliss Bay, was given a crown, and a crown makes you more money. We don't know how much, okay? Again, Amazon Kindle Vella is a mystery. In March is when I began really seeing a growth in my reads because of the Amazon Kindle Vella Facebook groups that I'm a part of. I am dropping a video soon, maybe next week on Wednesday, sharing my favorite Facebook group. So stay tuned for that. And this was, again, 4 different stories. Now, I'm going to go over to the actual story. So this is what it looks like. First of all, the Kindle Vella dashboard. You see the bonuses here. You see the stories, that are read per day and royalties earned. This is unlocked episodes, okay? Thumbs up. This is overall thumbs up, so it's not per day. 51 story follows. Follows are when someone decides that they want to click on the follow button and actually follow your stories, so they get notified when there's a new story drop. And this is, again, total number of follows for all stories. And story reviews. This is something new that Kindle Vella dropped. Also comments, which isn't shown here, is something new. Now people can comment on your story and also review your story. So these are all the titles. You see them all underneath here. And then that's the end of the Kindle Vella earnings report. I am going to go to my October, see if I can go that far back. So you can see there was one story all the way that far back. And we can see, did that work? Sorry, y'all. Ah, I didn't apply. Press apply. Okay. So October 1st to the 31st, 2022. $25.08. 36 total episodes read. 26 locked episodes read. However, not enough to make me any money for royalties for the locked episodes. You will see here that no royalties were earned, okay? These are new stories. So the only story was Heights of Love Candy, 36 episodes read. 215 thumbs up is the total thumbs up, okay? 1 review is the total review. So when you're looking by month, you just look at episodes read and royalties earned. So it makes sense that I didn't make that much money. What happened in November? $91.49. I know when Bliss Bay season 1 brandy was crowned. Someone gave it a crown because they told me. However, you'll see that in the report, it doesn't share crowns. It doesn't give you that information. So again, it's kind of a guess of how Amazon is paying authors for these little, follows, crowns, etc. $91.49, 28 episodes read, 19 total. So what's interesting is that even though in October there were more episodes read, because there was a crown, money was given. And it was about, can I do math? 60-something jump. Okay. So crowns do make a difference. What is unknown is how much of a difference. One crown made a huge difference. But if I continue to crown my own story, for example, we don't know if Amazon just counts it as one crown because you've crowned multiple stories, or if they say, well, this one person keeps crowning the same story, it's okay, we're going to give more money for the bonus. I don't think that's how it works, because I crowned my story a few times in March. Every week, you get a crown if you unlock tokens once a week. And I unlock tokens once a week because I'm part of these Kindle Vella Facebook groups where you have to do a lot of reading. These crowns I continuously gave to our stories. However, I did not see a significant jump. 127.76, 91.49, not a huge jump for all the crowns that I gave to my story. So my assumption is that Amazon is probably not allowing you to crown the same story and give you more money. Okay. Now, let's look at February versus March, because something huge happened, right? This is when my partner and I joined these Amazon Kindle Vella Facebook group that I'm talking about in the next video. So February was $37.27, which is the most without a crown, okay? 81 episodes read, 40 total unlocked, still 0 royalties earned, okay? This again is total number of thumbs up, story follows, and reviews across all your stories, okay? Heights of Love, Bliss Bay, you'll see here, but wait, Suhaiti, Bliss Bay Season 1 Brandy received 35 cents of royalties. Why is it not here? Because they round up by dollar. If that was 99 cents, it would be $1. But because it's not close to $1, they don't count that as a royalty and you don't get that money, okay? Now, March. Last month. No, that's April. So let's go to March. We haven't been paid for April yet. They drop payments around March, like every 20th of the month or 21st of the month, I believe, is when we get a bonus. If not a little bit later, but it's at the end of the month. So March, as I said, 127.76. Look at this. 369 total episodes read, 126 locked episodes, and we made $7 in royalties. So there's something to say about the locked episodes. We did kind of triple our reads, right? And we got crowned, because I know that I got a crown, and we got $7 of royalties. So I actually was very surprised that it wasn't more than $127, because we like tripled our reads. It's hard to do the math, right? But from my understanding in all the groups I'm a part of, you really start seeing money once you get to the thousands of total episodes read, like 1,000 total episodes read, 1,500 total episodes read. Okay. You see, these are all the royalties earned per story. And again, the more stories you have, the likelier it is that you'll see increased episodes read, especially in these Facebook groups. Also, the assumption is that Amazon likes it when you continuously post new stories, new episodes, drop new episodes. They reward you somehow, okay? February, no new stories. We didn't drop any new stories in February. I believe that's why it was so low as well. December, we didn't drop any new stories. So I dropped Candy in October, and I basically dropped them all kind of together. My partner dropped Bliss Bay in November, and I believe that ended in December, the last chapter. So there wasn't a huge change in revenue for us from October, December, February, because we didn't drop any new stories. This was the same stories that we were promoting on social media as well as in these Facebook groups. And I do believe November, it was the first time we ever got a crown, and that's why it jumped up. So I'm curious to see what happens in April. I'm going to show you right now again, $369, $126, $7. For April, $446, $184, $9. So I am excited to do another video when April payments close to see, or maybe I won't do another video because it won't be that long. What I'll do is I will update it in the community tab, okay, with a screen capture. So make sure to check out the community tab on my channel, and I will share kind of what I think worked. I will share obviously how much I made, and I'm excited to see at the end of this month, we get paid 60 days out on Amazon. So this March payment actually hasn't gone through yet. We'll get it May. April will post here at the end of the month, May, but I won't receive that payment until July. So it's 60 days out, okay? But I will be able to see the bonus amount, and I will share that in the community tab. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and come back for more tips, tricks, and advice for writers and authors. From me to you.